What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video on this beautiful channel with only the most beautiful people watching, guys. You hope you have a fantastic day today. Today we are finally checking out Han's Volcano, and I'm really excited for that, and I'm really excited we're getting into more Stray Kids record songs, because there are just so many Stray Kids songs that I haven't heard yet, so it is about time to catch up on those. And today we're checking out Volcano by Han, and I feel like it was a song that was, when it came out, highly requested also. So I'm really excited to get into it now, and yeah, that being said, let's go. Volcano by Han. I expect some really good lyrics, because Han always delivers with the lyrics. Oh, it sounds quite slow. Although I would imagine Volcano to be a loud song. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't expect this kind of vibe. But that is what I love about Han. I expected Volcano to be like a rap monster kind of song, you know, exploding volcano, and of course Han can rap so fast. He can go so hard with that. But that is the softer side of his, and I love the soft voice kind of that he's using here. Wow. Wow. Oh. Okay, I have massive goosebumps right now. Oh, that is tearing me apart. That is tearing me apart. Oh. So I can melt into you. Hug my body even if it hurts, it's okay. So I can melt into you. Oh. Oh, that is breaking me. Wow. And that is why I'm always praising Han's lyrics. He's such a great lyricist. Oh my goodness. Wow, that track is unbelievable. Oh, also I love that we have vocals of Han more. He can sing so well. You know what I mean? Oh, I need your heart, you are my volcano. Wow. Wow. Oh, guys, it is about time that we are reacting to more Stray Kids records. Wow. Oh, yes, okay. That song is so amazing. Wow, okay. I just love how he's combining like singing and rap elements in here, because he has such a wonderful singing voice, especially in this song. And what an emotional, touching song. Wow. So awesome that we are finally getting into more of those kind of songs. Yes, I love that part so much. When he's getting faster and faster, and the emotions are like ranging over, and then actually the chorus feels like the volcano is exploding. I love that. Wow. You know, I can really hear in the beat the volcano exploding. Wow. Wow. I need more of this. Wow. 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 Oh, it was about time that I listened to Volcano. Holy moly. I need more of this. Guys, definitely, again, comment down below your favorite Stray Kids records. Oh, they have a day 6 cover going on. Happy by Han also. Yeah, we will just react to all of the Stray Kids records. I don't know. Maybe we just should start at the beginning and then go through them all. Because we just need them. I just need them. Wow. What an emotional song. What a powerful song. And what a unique kind of song by Han also. It is just 100% Han in there. The lyrics were amazing, so touching. I love that the song actually felt like a volcano exploding during the chorus also. Beat was amazing. And as I said, Han is a multi-talent. He can sing, he can rap, he can do it all. So that is why I love Han. And Volcano will definitely find a good place, a good spot in my playlist. I'm telling you that. Wow, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We will definitely react to more Stray Kids record, guys. If you want to see my next Stray Kids record reaction right now, you can check out Patreon, guys. It is already online there for you to be enjoyed, of course. And yeah, that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being patient when I have a masterpiece like this. And I haven't reacted for it for a long time. So I'm sorry, but we are here now. And yeah, that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to smile today, most importantly. See you soon and bye-bye.